Right, we are back to our comparison between Azure and AWS. For today, I'm just going to show you how to navigate between the security center. So let's go to portal.azure.com or other URLs, whichever you are familiar with. So let me just try to log on, and that will be my account to Azure. And long password for this. Log on to. Okay, try again, and we see if I can log on. Here we go, and this is my trial MSDN tenant, and for today it's only about the security center. So we will do the rest later on. So for today, I'm just going to go all the way to the security center and just walk through what we got. I've got a few subscriptions here. You can see they're all got some money left. So this is the security center. For the next few I'll say sessions, we're going to cover each individual part of this, and you can see there is an update when you log on to Azure. And before that, let me just give you a high-level intro about the Azure screen. So to start with, you go on the left-hand side, all the services and resource, and you can see which one you would like to pick up and attach as a favorite to the dashboard. So in my scenario, I've just selected you can see the icons with the stars, which I feel they are important for me. So dashboard, register groups, subscription, marketplace, maybe you can choose which one you think it's more relevant to you, and you can see all the services are listed under the all services tab, basically. Here we go. And just quick high level, what you will be seeing there, you got a general section, and you have 11 sort of like services or tabs or resource underneath it, and this is from dashboard all the way down to what is new. So again, as I mentioned to you, we're going to cover all these later on. This is just only high level. Then the second part will be compute. Under the compute, we have 20 part, which means 20 sessions we're going to cover later on. Then we move on toward the networking. Again, another 20 sections. And that include virtual network, VLAN, load balancing, DNS, routing, traffic, IPs, and then moving toward the storage. And this is 9. Storage account, data lake, store symbol, recovery, all the way to the syncing, which is a new service. Then moving a little bit toward the DevOps, and that will be web and mobile, and app services, logic apps, all the way down toward, we got 16 here, toward app service domain. And then sort of last part will be before the security database, and we got the SQL, Radios, Cache, Azure, CMOS, and all the way down to the migration side. Then we move toward the reporting and the artificial intelligence or data mining, and we got 23. So if you notice, this is a little bit higher than the rest. We got machine learning, connected services, and we have different options, yeah. And then we move toward all the way down, and you can see it is Internet of Things. We have 12. That include event hubs, monitoring, machine learning, device provisioning, and then we got other sort of integration services or enterprise integration services. This is 15. This is around logic apps, integration account, BizTalk, service account, billing, all the way down to Power BI. And the last part is security. You've seen the security, I've highlighted a few things for us, including Key Vault and B2C, MFA, again 17 all the way down. And then we got new sections or enhanced section, which is only for DevOps team, and this is around project, and it's only 6, and there is a 3 already in preview, and on the roadmap from Microsoft there is another like 5 on Q2, so soon we'll see that getting expanded. And the last part is 21, which is monitoring and management, all the way down from policy, recovery, backup, site recovery, Intune, apps, activity, metrics, and operation logs. Plus, we have some add-ons. With the add-ons, these are 22. And you can see these add-ons around MySQL, Hive, Cloud, Monix, and we go all the way down to Spark, Deep Security SaaS, Identity Hub, and third party. Then Microsoft improved it and added another section which is others, and this is around 26. And you can see that one from bot services, classic DevOps, credential, elastic, ebook, and management groups, again 21. And last one will be troubleshootings. So you've seen it is very rich. And as I mentioned, we will be covering each individual services as a part of the Azure series. And you've noticed already here, one thing I need to highlight, a lot of preview. So a lot of improvement like management groups, service health. This is only this section. Look, 3 of them under this section. And then you move a little bit up under add-ons, and then migration, identity, policies, monitoring. Look at the previews. I can see nearly 12 to 16 preview so far, yeah. So this is the plan for us. I just want to show you a high level all service windows, and you can see the favorites, the one I've added, they will all show up here, and this would have added back again to all services. And I'm gonna go down all the way to, maybe let's pick up some of these just to show you because they do not exist here. So I'm gonna pick up data lake, and I would like to do machine learning as well. And what else do we do? Batching, and maybe pick up something else from Internet of Things. I need to see event hubs and maybe some modules as well. Okay, close it and look on my left hand side, and they are here. Okay, they get added. So collapse it, open it back, and you will see everything you've added. They all show up here. Okay, and you can remove it the same way. So this is the main dashboard, and go back to home, and this is the home, my resource I have, the marketplace. The marketplace is where you will be basically buying additional stuff. We're going to cover in more details, but here for today you can see all the Cloudera and other stuff are available here for us, Citrix or F5, and again that will cover like everything or individual services, the one I was referring to, from compute all the way down to blockchain. Again, we will cover these in more details for the next uh, session. Hopefully you have learned something useful, and I shall see you at the next part.